and we have received a good part of information from a practical point of view. And I think we got some eye-openers with regards to maintenance of blades. We need to go home and review our thoughts about this and probably add some additional money in the budget.
Okay, I think it's been a very interesting day. It's been some very good for the business. It's been all part of the business. We, as an end user of turbines, there's been blade manufacturers, turbine maintenance specialists. In that sense, it's been a very good forum. This whole topic is becoming more and more interesting. I think the industry is realizing that maybe we've been a little bit naive or not realizing what high demands we're actually setting for the blades.
The Blade Forum was a very interesting activity. It was a little bit of an eye-opener where we could see new perspectives on blades that we actually were not aware of. We have been able to form ourselves a better opinion about the service and inspections that will be needed for the future, as well as been able to tie some good connections with possible third-party suppliers for the needed services.
I think it's been very interesting to meet the other guys in the industry and also to learn about their experience and to hear both from the suppliers and the owners. So I think it's been very useful. Thank you.
I find this has been an interesting day to get to know how the marketplace view the issues around blades. I've met quite a few of other people who, with whom I can establish contact in the future as well, and we can cooperate on issues like this.